puppies. Here, pups. Here, pups. Come, pups. Here, puppies. Here, pups. Come on. Come, pups. Oh, we got two stragglers. Come on, Olivia and Bean. Listen up. Listen up. It's time to play. I gotcha. Come on. Let's go for one more little run. We can wear you right out so you can have a little nap. Come on. Come on, puppies. Maddie's ready to play. She's got her ball ready. Come on, pups. Come on, Bean. Come on, Bean. You got this. Good girl, Olivia. Yes. Good girl, puppy. Come on, pups. Puppy. Yay. Come on. Come on, Bean. Got four. We've got four. Come on, let's run around. Let's run around. Follow the leader. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow. Oh, go get that ball. Good job, Bean. Come on, buddy. Come on. Release, Maddie. I'm not going to throw it if you don't release it. She's so athletic. It's incredible. They're going to check to see if she has any milk. And there's Maddie's mom. What? Come on. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful. Oh, look at that. They look like they're Maddie's puppies. That's because Maddie's son is the daddy. She's going to be playing with you and running all around with you. No time flat. She's so gentle with puppies and so... Oh, look at him. Gator. Hey, buddy. This is your great-grandmother. I know that. She definitely doesn't have anything in her tank. I'm sorry. She's got a beautiful fleece coat. She's hypoallergenic. Does not shed. And she's just got a great temperament. Look at her playing with these puppies. So sweet. She's so gentle and careful with her footing. She's going to teach them how to all chew on sticks. There's no shortage in the yard. She's got 4 of them. That means I've got Jackpot right by me because there's Chief and Gator. Olivia and Bean. I love it when they wrestle each other. It's so cute. They kind of swat at one another. Every day is going to get much more fun. It'll be much more fun tomorrow and the next day and the next day. Hopefully we don't have any rain this weekend. We can eat outside and play outside. They are tired. I can hear Heidi from here at the back door. just wanting to come out. But they would just squeal even more. I haven't really seen them go potty in a while. They might have after they ate. Alright, is it time for a nappy? Is it nap time? Nap time? Look at my beautiful baby girl, Shiggy. You are so beautiful. You're such a good girl. Keeping a watchful eye of the puppies. Come on. This is their paternal grandmother. She's been so gentle with them. Olivia's so cute with her, giving her kisses. She's like, as long as I have my balls, I'm good. Now they're chasing after her, trying to wrestle her. So cute. This is what she was waiting for. She was waiting for for them to be big enough to be able to play with the puppies. And they're finally there. She's so graceful how she just hops right over them. Heidi hears them squealing and she thinks that they want her. And she's concerned about that. Which is why she wants to come out. But when she comes out, they squeal even more and causing her to be... Oh, somebody just went for a nipple. Maddie said, I don't think so, pal. I don't think so. They have shark teeth. How do you like it out here, huh? You happy? They're wagging their tails. Olivia just was. There's Bean wagging his tail. They're definitely trying to go for her nipples. She's like, nope, I'm all set. Come on, Mr. Bean. They're going to have a nice, long afternoon nap. It's going to be nice and peaceful. Oh, Chief. I hear that voice. My goodness. I think my neighbor across from me, I think she heard that. I don't know if she can hear, but if she could have. Maddie's just laying in the grass, enjoying chewing on sticks. Puppies are right at my feet, following my every move I make. See if I go this way, if they follow me this way. This is what they will do when they go home too. They follow their owners. Follow, 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 follow. Here, pup. Here, puppy. Good boy, Jack. Good boy, Bean. Sugar doesn't have anything in her tank either. We're not nursing anymore. We're big puppies now. I may let them out one more time today. Oh, Jack. Jack. I was meant to zoom out right there. They're following Sugar around. She's so good with the puppies too. Gator! Here, puppy! Good boy! Alright, time for the puppies to take a nap, I think. They are cranky. Come on, pups! Here, puppy! Oh, I think Gator's going potty, maybe. It looks like Olivia might be looking for a spot. Maybe not. Come on, pup! You need a lift, don't you? Say, my legs aren't quite long enough just yet. Here, pup. Pup. Oh, they want to play with Maddie still. Oh, little stinker. He just got down the stairs all by himself. All right, time to go inside. Come on. Come on, puppies. Here, pup. Here, pup. They're chasing Maddie. She's playing a game with them. She'll lay down. As soon as they all get to her, she'll get up. Then they get aggravated. I think they want to snuggle. They're probably looking for a nice, soft, warm, dark spot to hunker down and just pass right out. Oh wow, look at Chief go. Look at him go. He's fast. Look at him go. Aww. Bean is snuggling up to Maddie. So sweet. There goes Gator, and Olivia, and Bean, and Jack. I saw a yawn. You are tired, I can tell. I can tell. Yes, you are. You're tired, buddy. Let me get all this stuff off your head. You're running around? All right. No more squealing. My little puppies, my good puppies. My good girl, my good boys. My sweet, sweet little puppies. Is that a puppy kiss I just got? Alright, guys. Let's round up and go inside, okay? Time for nappy. They're just like little babies. We don't want to take a nap, though. But they do, because they're cranky. Come on. Even Sugar's waiting for you. Here, pup. Here, puppy. Here, puppy. Come on. I'm not going to go pick you up. Come on. Here, puppy. Here, pup. Here, puppy. Here, puppy. Look at them. So darn cute. Good boy, Gator. Yay. It's your first time outside. Hey, buddy. I'm going to give you a lift. There's Maddie again playing. Hey, Shuggy Bear. You keep an eye on Gator, okay? And we'll get the others. You stay right there. Look at that little sweet face of his. Well, he's trying to figure out, how do I get down these stairs? There he goes. It does not take them long at all. All right, it's time for you to take a nappy.